You woke up in your sleep and you were like, Susie. And I'm like, what are you, a vampire or something?
You think I'm not playing with your baby. I'm not.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jen. I'm back with another one. So I've thought of a prank. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. So I don't know, does that look like a hickey? Maybe if I'm gonna pretend I have a hickey, but it has to look like a hickey, so I don't know. Maybe I'll put some pink on it. I'm gonna fix it up a bit, and then I'm gonna go out and stay tuned. You'll see how it goes. Remember, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share it, and turn your notification bell on so you can get all of our new uploads from our new videos that we upload. So let's see how this goes. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. Whoops. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh. Hey babe. I'll come out to help you with your... I'm gonna videotape you, okay?
Yeah, videotape me for the work.
I'm gonna videotape you with your questions. I should get the selfie stick though, so we can do it this way.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
See, I got the selfie stick or what?
Yeah, hold on a second. Okay, guys. He didn't say anything, so I think he's seen it. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. All right. So, give me the questions. Oh, okay, that's all right. I got it facing the wrong way. Okay.
No, much of one.
Huh?
Can't focus. Hold on. So
Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. Let me see. Like that?
What that penny?
Where?
Where did you go?
When?
Today. Where you go?
I didn't go anywhere.
So you have a makeup and your eyes look so and everything just look on fleek. And what that penny around there so? What's on your neck? Boy, you want to help me with question. I expect you have Hicky for your neck. I expect me for answer question.
Babe, you must have did this. You must have did this. I don't know what you're talking about. I mean, I can see it. Clearly, I can see it. But I don't know.
Me not do that, you know. Me never do that. I didn't do it. So who do that? Come and understand, you know. You have to come out to me and be clear with me or what's the problem. Like, me not understand what's going on there. That's what I'm asking.
Babe, it had to be you.
What to me do what? Like, am I losing my mind here or
No,
what?
I think you pinched me or something last night. In your sleep.
Take me for an idiot?
No.
You take me for a fool. What's going on? That's what I ask you. Where did he go? Where did he go last night?
Babe.
Or where you go this morning?
I didn't go anywhere, babe. You know me, I get marks on me all the time.
No, every morning you tell me about you bring dog. You bring out dog.
I do bring the dog for a walk every morning. I do bring the dog out for a walk every morning, yeah.
So what may I say to you?
Not for a walk, but like down there. I don't go for a walk. I gotta wait till my knee is done to go for a walk.
Piss me off, man. Like, just like, I understand. I say, I don't want to get heated and I don't really want to get disrespectful. I mean, I ask you again, what's going on your neck, baby? That's what I'm asking you. Just like, I don't really want, like, just easy, no man, just relax yourself, no man. Like, we see my out of some have a calm mind and I just go through and you come out just to interrupt me. You understand me? I say, you know, I don't have no problem with you, help me. I don't have any problem with you helping me. But what I am saying to you, this distract me. This right, so that distract me. What's going on? That's what I say to you, man. I don't understand, brother. Like, you come for drive me crazy. You come for drive me crazy.
Babe, you did that. You did it. You don't remember? You woke up in your sleep last night. You were sleeping, right? And you woke up. And you just started, and I'm like, babe, stop. I don't know, you must have been dreaming or something.
You have some ill intention in you.
And you were saying, oh, what were you saying? I'm trying to think now. You were dreaming.
In my sleep.
In your sleep, you were dreaming, and you were like, oh, Susie, or something like that. Do you know somebody named Susie?
You trying to convince, wait, what are you trying to do? Convince somebody that talking on sleep?
Yeah, you were kissing my neck and you were being right hard and you were like, Susie. I'm like, who the heck is Susie? And you were like, sleep, or you were sleeping, but you didn't even know what you were doing.
Better take sleep, Mark. Come on, buy that, babe. I don't buy that, you know.
Babe, I'm telling you, you woke up in your sleep and you were like, Susie. And I'm like, what are you, a vampire or something?
I'm not playing with you, baby. I'm not playing with you. And your intention was never to come out as to come help me. Your intention was to come out as to come do something else because you can't respect me and come out as with big hickey on your neck. I'm not having it.
Babe, it was you. It was not anything else. I promise. It was. I would never do anything to hurt you.
I'm going to pack up my clothes, you know. I'm going to left, you know. I'm going to pack up my clothes and go away, you know, be. I can't take the disrespect and the styling, you know.
Babe.
I cannot take the disrespect and the styling. As a matter of fact, too.
Babe, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's makeup. It's makeup.
Pack up my clothes and
It's a... Babe, it's a prank. Jess helped me do it. It's makeup.
you come like you have something else, man. You come and say, interrupt my brother.
You be pranking me and I be pranking you. This is what we do. Guys, right? He signed up for this. This is what he signed up for. I'm gonna bust your brain. Is that what you guys say in Jamaica? Bust your brain? General! Oh, yo, General! Yo, General. I can't. Anyway, guys, that's another one. I wasn't sure how this was gonna play out, but and then I thought about the dream at the last second. I'm like, where can I bring this? Did you believe me? Did you believe that you woke up in the night shouting Susie?
I was talking on my sleep, but me say I use that now. I'm not talking on my sleep and keep on necking on my sleep. I understand that one day. But I know me have history of talking in my sleep.
You do talk in your sleep, yeah. I've never heard you call a name out yet, though. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We got lots more to come, so make sure you stay tuned to our channel. If you have not already subscribed, please do so. Turn on your notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. And yeah, we love you. Mwah. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed already. We're at like on our way to 3K. So we're over 2K now. So thank you guys. Mwah, peace out.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?